This is a delicious and easy Chinese green bean recipe, cooked in an air fryer and seasoned in a frying pan. Trim the ends of the green beans in batches and toss them in oil. I'm cooking 1 pound of beans today. One of the 3.8-liter baskets is enough for it. Spray oil in the basket, empty the beans, and spread them out evenly. Put the basket back in. Turn it on. I'm using the second basket. Air fry function, 180 Celsius for 8 minutes. And start. Come back halfway to give it a good toss. While the beans are cooking, we'll mince the garlic. Crush the garlic first, makes the peeling easier. Then mince it. When time's up, take the beans out. Place a frying pan on a medium heat. Add oil and the beans. Cook them for about half a minute until they soften a little. This will help the beans absorb the flavors better. Add garlic. Toss it around to coat the beans. Add oyster sauce and regular soy sauce. Toss around and it's done.